Hello YouTubers, welcome to today's session MS Excel formulas and functions. Today I'm gonna show you the logical operators, how they are working in Excel. Basically this tutorial looks quite simple and basic compared to the previous ones, but I'm always saying that better later than never. So welcome again to our session with Cam in Action, and today I'm gonna show you all the logical operators, actually not all, but simple ones, how they are working and functioning in Excel. So let me to start. What we're gonna do, I have prepared you already an example sheet with an example table where you have where we have value 1 column, uh, value 2 column, and the logical operators which we will gonna use during the tutorial, during the video, and of course on column D we will see the results. So what we need to do on this line is basically to see if value 1 is bigger than value 2. So start with equal sign. Do not forget, I have mentioned already on our previous tutorials that each function and formula in Excel is starting with equal sign. Then we start to type column A, line 2, the value 1 is bigger than column B, line 2, value 2. And we just simply press enter. Of course, the end result is true because 3 is bigger than 2. But imagine you have huge amount of data which you have to compare if the certain numbers are bigger than certain other values, and you have to count all of this. That's actually hilarious to do it manually, and this is why we are basically using the possibilities of Excel to count all this. So the next line we will gonna see if the value 1 is smaller than value 2. So we start with equal sign, column A line 3 smaller than column B line 3, and we press enter, and that's false. That's not true because 3 is not smaller than 2. Okay, on the line 4 we will see if value 1 is equal to value 4, and we are starting with column A line 4 equal sign to column B line 4, and we press enter. That's true because 4 is equal to 4. On the line 5 we will gonna see if value 1 is bigger or equal than value 2. So it's equal sign column A line 5 bigger or equal to column B line 5. So, and the result here is true. It's true. Why? Actually, in the results you are not able to see uh, two type of value results. So you are able to see the only one. Basically means that the bigger or equal, both of the signs are reflecting on the value 1, value 2, and when you are making the operation and the logic, it says that 4 is bigger or equal to 4. So if one of them is correct, then the result for sure will be true. But if you will choose a 4, which you will see here, bigger or smaller, then you will see what is the result. Is the one or either the other one. And here, actually, if both of them are wrong, so both of them are false, now let's say that if 4 is, let's say, if you will type here 3, no, sorry, if you will type here 5, let's say like this, and the result immediately changes to false. Why? Because 4 is not bigger or equal to 5, and the result immediately changes to false. So let's bring it back to not mix you more. And on, of course, if you are mixed, do not forget to leave comments and I will try to explain it with more details under the video. So line 6, here we will gonna see the value 1 is smaller or equal to value 2. And we are starting with column A, line 6, smaller or equal to column B, line 6. And the result is true because 4 is equal to 4, but is not smaller. So there is still a correct logical operator within the function. And on the last line now, this is what I was trying to explain you. We will gonna see value 1 is bigger or smaller than value 2. So that's basically starts with equal sign, column A, line 7, smaller or bigger than column B, line 7. And the result is, of course, false. So what means this? This means that the 4 is not smaller, neither bigger than value 2 than 4. So what we are able to see here basically is all about the fact that that's the result is false because both of the logical operators are not correct used. So basically the value 1 is not smaller or bigger than value 2. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial this time. I hope it was useful for you. If you liked it, do not forget to subscribe to be able to follow up our next coming tutorials. And if you enjoyed it, then you can leave also a message in case something is not clear. You can always leave us a message. I will try to make it more clear for you guys. And see you on our upcoming tutorials.